Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I am unboxing the Allure Beauty Box. So this is my first Allure box and it is July's box. It's only $10 when you get your first box, but it is $15 per month, so it's a monthly subscription box. So on the website it says what you get. Allure's monthly beauty box offers top trending editor tested makeup, full and travel size products selected by Allure experts, mini mag with tips, shortcuts and step-by-steps, a mystery bonus gift valued at $15 plus. So I'm a new member, so hopefully that will be in here, and then you also get free shipping. So the July Allure Beauty Box is valued at $123 plus, yours for only $10. So it took a little while for the box to get here. I ordered it I think at the beginning of July and it's now like the end of July, so I don't know if like all the boxes come at the end of the month or maybe this one, because I did order it in July, so we'll see. And when you open it up, this is what it looks like when you first open it up. And on the inside of the lid it says Mani Pedi Vici Allure #Allure Beauty Box. So this is a little magazine that they were talking about. So for the items that you get in your box, you have how-tos and instructions on here. There's another little pamphlet in there. So it says enjoy a $20 gift toward your next full price order on baublebar.com. So that's that from Allure. And then here are the goodies inside. So it looks like a nice little box for $10. So the first thing in here is this Feel Harmony Rose Petal Facial Mask Ultra Concentrated Toning Gel. So this is what that looks like. It's in a little pack like this, so you don't waste a whole lot of it. This is like a good idea with the little knob here where you can just like pour out as much as you need and you can still use the rest of it. Because sometimes the foil, you just tear it and then end up having to like throw away most of it. The price of this is, the full price is $55. So this is for brightening your skin. Alright, and then this little pencil is Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil. It's designed to be used all over. It's perfect for traveling and executing monochromatic looks. You'll get either a brown shade, Wherever Walnut, which is what I got in my box, or a red one, full red in your box. And you can experiment by using it as a lip color, blush, contour, eyeliner, eyeshadow, even brow pencil. It says, okay, maybe don't use the red for the last one. So this was $18 full price. I'm assuming this is a little travel size. The next thing in here is this Desert Rose. What is this by? CLE Melting Lip Powder, Long Lasting Matte Lip and Cheek Tint. That's interesting. Oh, okay, how do you even use this? Okay, so it's like a powder. Oh my god, and then it turns to like liquid when you put it on. That's interesting. I don't think that's in here. Okay, maybe this is my full price item that I got. But yeah, this is, it says CLE. That is pretty cool. And then it just went to matte. So it turned, it's like liquid and then it turned to matte. Next thing in here is this Derma E Essential Sun Protection Mineral Powder with SPF 30. So let's look inside. Oh god. So here is a pretty good travel size. And it's got the little things in there, so you just peel this off and you can put it on, pop it on the lid and put it on. So that is $21.95. It says this finely milled powder is awesome for setting makeup and preventing shine on scorching days when you feel like you're going to melt. And somehow it doesn't make your skin look dull or matte in the process. Plus it's got all natural SPF 30. That's awesome. So we can give this a whirl in our makeup. Next thing in here is this Olay. Am I saying that right? Olay Hair Care Leave-In Conditioner. Oh, and I love leave-in conditioners. It retails for $26. I'm excited to try this next time I wash my hair, because I just washed my hair. And I know this brand, I've heard about this brand, but I've never used their products. And I think this is a really good brand for hair. And next thing in here is Luna Sunday Riley. Never tried Sunday Riley either. So this is exciting. This is Retinol Sleeping Night Oil. Let's open this up. so far I think for 10 bucks. This is a pretty good box. So this is what it looks like. Let's smell it. Ooh. I can't tell what it smells like. So the price of the full size one is $105. That's crazy. So on the back of it, it says Luna works throughout the night to deliver visibly more youthful, luminous, even-toned skin in the morning. Minimizes the appearance of pores and wrinkles while visibly improving fine signs of premature aging, fine lines, uneven texture, age spots, dryness, and dullness. So that's exciting. I'm really excited to try that. That's awesome. There's 3 more products in here. So this is the Organic Pharmacy Antioxidant Lip Balm. Soft and smooth with shea butter and rosehip to keep lips soft. Ooh, feels really smooth. I like that. And it smells really nice too. And because it's thicker than 99% of lip balms, it gives lips a more obvious sheen. It actually looks more like clear gloss than balm. So it retails for $21.50. Alright, there's another pencil in here, and this is like an electric blue pencil by, is it Ducci? I can't even read this, but this is what it looks like. It retails for $22. Let's see what the color looks like. Ooh. Oh, that's a nice color, guys. And it feels really smooth because I just glided it on my hand and it's really, really smooth. So that's exciting for like a nice little summer look. I'm excited to try that. And this looks like a full-size one. So that's pretty awesome. And the last thing in here is Olay Regenerist Whip Light as Air Powerful Wrinkle Results Without Heaviness Active Moisturizer. This is travel size. Oh, that one's not in here. But this is uniquely whipped with active moisture to transform on skin for fast absorption and a breathable feel. Irresistibly soft on skin with a smooth matte finish, diminishes the look of fine lines or wrinkles, actively hydrates to improve elasticity, and firm skin for a lifted look. So this is what it looks like. It's a pretty good travel size. When you open it up, it smells nice. There it is. Ooh, it's nice and airy. So I'm excited to try that. And that's all the products. That literally is everything in my box. So I definitely recommend it. I'm excited to see what's in the August box. And that one's gonna be $15, but if you do want to give this Allure box a try, I will leave the link down below so you guys, stop it. So you guys can go check it out. And yeah, let me know what you thought of this box. I loved it and I'm super excited to try all of these items. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!